This video bartending lesson is brought to you by American Bartender School, where in just 1 or 2 weeks you can be fully trained and ready to work as a professional bartender. This drink is called a Perfect Scotch Manhattan or Perfect Rob Roy. Remember, Scotch Manhattan or Perfect Scotch Manhattan, Perfect Rob Roy are synonymous for just a Manhattan made with Scotch. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to stir this drink. I've gone over a lot of times on some of our previous lessons, but for you newbies, we're going to show you again. So we're going to use our glass mixing cup, and this is from two parts of our mixing cup, our Boston shaker, which consists of a stainless steel mixing cup and a glass one. So we're going to put our ice in there. And perfect means that we're going to use both types of vermouth. There we go, a little bit of both. Both sweet and dry vermouth, which are infused wines. One's a red wine, one's a white wine. The sweet vermouth, the red one, is a little sweeter. The dry vermouth doesn't have any sugar in it, so it's not sweet, but it does have a distinct taste because in both vermouths, botanicals and herbs are added to it to give it a particular unique flavor. In fact, if we were in Europe, oftentimes if you say martini, you will get dry vermouth, or they will drink vermouth straight before dinner. And the botanicals in the vermouth are there, so they say, to stimulate the gastric juices and make people a little hungry and to help digest the meal. So Manhattans, martinis, Rob Roys oftentimes are ordered before dinner by customers in restaurants and bars for that purpose. Although a lot of people just drink it because they like them. So we've got both types of vermouth in there. We're going to use Scotch, and remember, Scotch whiskey is different than American whiskey. It has a distinct flavor and only comes from Scotland. And we're going to use 2 ounces of our Scotch whiskey. And what we're going to do is we're going to stir our drink, which is the way that all these drinks used to be made at one time, if they were requested straight up. And we're going to hold our mixing cup in one hand, and we're going to stir it with our bar spoon with the other about 7 or 8 times, right? Long spoon, twist it, called a bar spoon. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our chilled cocktail glass. You always want to use a chilled glass. Then you're going to take your strainer, your Hawthorne strainer, and just strain your perfect Scotch Manhattan or Rob Roy, same drink, different names, right like so. And we're going to use a lemon twist. Just twist it, yellow side down. The oil will float on the top of the drink. Rim the glass with the yellow side of the lemon twist, and that'll give it a nice lemon aroma. Now, sometimes customers, or if you're not a customer, you're just making this drink for your friends, may want an olive too. Since this is could be a before dinner drink, you want to give them a little appetizer snack. Put it on a toothpick, and then just drop it right in there. So there we have it with a twist and an olive. Oftentimes, martinis are called for garnishes with a twist and olive also. So it all depends what you like. So there we have it. Our perfect Scotch Manhattan, sometimes known as a Rob Roy. Enjoy it.